Hey bye people, we're back again. So join us this week as we are hitting up Koh Rong Sanloem, one of our favourite places to go if you like the chilled and quiet life. So come and join us and explore this beautiful island.
Well, hello there. So we are all packed up. Today is our last morning here. We're going to the neighbouring island, Koh Rong Sanloem. And Phil and I, we've not been too well since our last video, which was, what, a couple of days or a week ago?
Yeah.
We've been on and off in bed with a bug. When one of us got better, the other one got worse. We slept through New Year's. Yeah, it's been very quiet in this household. But we're feeling better now, I think, Phil?
Yeah, I feel a bit better.
Yeah.
I think so.
And looking forward to a fresh start in a new island.
And a new year.
And a new year, yes. And we will take you guys along, as always, to enjoy the beauty of this island. Because even though we were sick for longer than we would have liked to, it didn't put us off this island. It is very beautiful here, and we enjoyed every minute of it. How do you feel about leaving Koh Rong?
A bit sad, to be fair. Made some really nice friends there, both Jen and her boyfriend and the owner of the hotel. Been super lovely, even calling back his sister, which is quite sweet.
Yeah.
But we will be back definitely to see how the business go on and just to come back here because it is beautiful.
It took us half an hour by speedboat from Koh Rong to Koh Rong Sanloem. We've done this journey before, but made the mistake last time by getting off at the wrong pier and had to walk to Saracen Bay.
Finally done it, Patty. What do you think?
Oh, beautiful.
Nice to be back.
Yeah.
The last time we came here, we was rushing all the way down here.
Yeah, it's a mission. Even though these are sister islands and very close, they each have a completely different feel and vibe. Koh Rong is lively, loud and full of energy, while this island has a much more relaxed and laid-back feel, less people and less noise.
Hey, Mikey. The first day here, we are very relaxed in Koh Rong Sanloem. It is very much for the person who likes a chilled out life. No stress.
This time we decided to stay by Saracen Bay, which is a very long stretch of beach with walkable access to Lazy Beach and Sunset Beach. 2 years ago we only visited Mapai Bay on the other side of the island, which we skipped this time, but in retrospect I wish we hadn't, as it has more of a backpackers vibe with the best vegan restaurant on the island. We are covering up from the sun.
Oh yes.
Because it is baking. 3 in the afternoon, we're walking across the island to the other side. To Lazy Beach.
To Lazy Beach. Hopefully they say it's a really nice sunset there, so that's going to be good.
Yeah. Yeah, but this island has got super chill vibes, which we knew from last time, but last time we were on the other side of the island. So this is a brand new side to us, which we didn't explore last time, so looking forward to doing that now.
And this is for the person who told us to say, oh, you're missing out the best bit of the island, so we come back just for you.
Yeah.
Hey, lovely. So 100%, I was just saying to Pat, the one thing about travelling that no one gets you ready for is being sick when you're away. Literally from yesterday to today, I feel so much better. I think I was in a way where I couldn't really even move. I couldn't keep any food down. I think a little bit of food poison it was, but I'll tell you what, I'm so glad I got Pat there, because I don't know, people who single travel and you get sick, and you just got to literally just brace it out. You know you're going to get better, but you literally just got to take it easy, rest your body and just have loads of fluids. I just feel so much better today, so much more energy. And then having you have that first bit of food, God, I missed it. But yeah, I didn't eat for like, must be like 16 hours. As an hour of coconut, feel a lot better. And a bit of food and feel right as rain. So all you people who feel sick or not very well on travel, when you're travelling, I salute you. Ain't very nice. So from Saracen Bay, you can either walk or pay someone with a tractor, pull in a cart to take you. We always choose the walk-in as we sing some songs and have a laugh and a bit of banter. Finally made it, didn't we, after how long do we walk?
About 45 minutes. The guy at the bar said, it's a 20-minute walk.
He must be one fast walker because there's no way we could do that in that time.
Yeah,
Anyway,
and it's hot.
Let's go and relax. What a nice beach, and this is lovely lazy beach. Let's be lazy.
Oh god, yeah. Lazy Beach was our favorite. It has a lovely place to sit back with a drink and watch the sunset. And if you're not up for walking between beaches, you can also hop on a tractor.
Hey, morning party people, how you doing? So yeah, what a nice sleep at the place we're staying, which is called Laguna Matata. It's not really, but I just thought it sounds cool. Laguna, so it's been really nice, a free breakfast with a juicy pancake for me, and what do you have, Pat?
Eggs on toast.
Nice eggs and toast, and also a beautiful dragon fruit smoothie. Just a really nice way to start the day, I think. Have a bit of breakfast, and in the morning we're off now, just walking. So you're going to join us and do a bit of exploring and see what's up. Any words, Pat?
Morning. He's full of energy, this one.
Nah, she just woke up. Poor Patty. We'll get her batteries going.
Comparing this island to Koh Rong, there isn't that much to do around here. It really is all about relaxing. So if you're into stillness, beaches and nature, then this is the place for you.
Hey, swinging out with Pat Meister.
Hey, it's super windy today. And over there you can see a pier. Last time we were here 2 years ago, it took us an hour. They dropped us on the other pier early in the morning, so we had to walk with our massive bags an hour to get to this pier. Oh wow.
And now we're back here in a lot more calmer, kind of like...
setting, yeah.
Setting, absolutely.
Apart from the wind, it's quite windy today, which is refreshing.
Lovely though, no?
No.
Absolutely. And then yeah, this afternoon I'm going to do some swimming, and then see what I can get up to and do some work as well. Good afternoon party people, me and Pat have gone for a little stroll to go and check out just the local area of where we're staying really. We've come across some mermaids, come across the little restaurant, and also just come across some of the nicest people, very chilled out and relaxed. That's one thing you learn about here, it is just super, very chilled, very relaxed. There's only literally a couple of people here. Which is quite nice if you like that kind of holiday and getaway, and it is quite nice. It's quite a lot of different kind of a whole different ball game from being really busy over in Koh Rong, all the motorbikes and lots of people, and also them loads of tourists. We're here, it's nothing really like that, which is really nice. So if you'd like to come and chill out somewhere, I would definitely recommend Koh Rong Sanloem. And you can tell lots of businesses are starting to open here as well. They just put in a new path behind me, and they've got this new jetty here as well, which I imagine you can take boats from to go to other parts of this island as well. So altogether really, really cool. Hey love, how are you?
Yeah, good, you?
I'm not too bad. I had a bit of a weird evening. I came down in a full body rash that went from up here in my chest and my stomach all the way down to my legs, and I couldn't sleep all night. And so yeah, it's something a bit weird, whether I had an allergic reaction to something. But yeah, I don't think the island life's liking me too much anymore.
Oh dear, what are you going to do about it?
Not a lot, just get on with it really.
It is super windy today. We heard the wind howling through the night. Phil didn't sleep. I didn't sleep very well actually. But yeah, it's interesting. We are going to leave tomorrow. We thought we'd stay a couple more days, but the weather doesn't look so good. It looks a lot like this, so I think we're going to leave tomorrow back to Phnom Penh. And then we'll see. Hopefully we can leave even, because we don't know if the boats are running. Because the water is very choppy.
There we go. It's so nice seeing the boat here with all the people getting on and off, and the boat's whoa, but it shows it's still going. That's why you've got to come to Koh Rong. You get it any time of the day or night, no messing around. Isn't that right, Pat?
It's very choppy. If you have problems with being seasick, yeah, you got to buckle up. but it's going, so that's the good news.
We also had another reason not to extend our stay. There were some badly behaving monkeys by our accommodation who scratched the lady the day we were there, as well as previously. So we didn't want to take our chances being so far away from a hospital.
It's a bit windy, Bobs, here in Koh Rong Sanloem. Holy moly, I do like a bit of wind, but this is a bit like a storm. So I've got a little weather app that I look on called Zoom Earth, and it shows you all the tropical kind of like storms coming and the winds, but it shows nothing for here. But mate, maybe it should be on there, or maybe my phone ain't working properly. But it is one of them things. But we're going to go exploring now, a bit of the island we haven't seen before, which is literally up past our place where we're staying and carry on. So you're going to come with us, and hopefully we don't get blown away.
Yeah, we got our tickets today, ferry tickets to leave the island tomorrow, so now it's official.
We're off to...
We're definitely leaving. Up to Phnom Penh.
And then Moscow! Woohoo! What are you doing?
What are you doing?
So cute with the mermaid, I love that.
I know.
If I had a place like this, I'd have some mermaids, gargoyles,
Of course you
little
would.
gnomes, and a couple of little monkeys as well.
Yeah, he's coming. Slow coach, Philly boy.
Here you got Wolf.
Scratching his foot. He's got itchy feet.
I do have, yeah.
Maybe a bit of a sun rash or something.
Got my little cravat as well. Cravat, scarf, superhero cape.
Zulu.
There you go, it's one of the two. The last day of today is going to be sad.
Yes.
Off down to the last bit of swimmage.
Yeah. Are you feeling
Tired.
tired now?
Yeah, we tried to find that carvings, but gosh, yeah. Well, things on the map that say it's really weird Google Maps, because some things they say it's like 3 minutes away, and then you walk, and literally it's like about half an hour. So yeah, it's quite crazy.
Thank you.
But yeah, just one of them things. What can you do? You try it.
Good morning. So today's our last day here in Koh Rong Sanloem, and this is our view. As we've shown you already, it is absolutely beautiful, and it's going to be hard to leave here, but we're moving on. And unfortunately today is as windy as yesterday, so we're a little bit scared. It's going to get a little bit choppy out on the boat. We saw yesterday one of the ferries go like this. So yeah, we're gonna get our little puke bags ready. Just keep them nearby, just in case, who knows. Hopefully nothing will happen. But yeah, it's gonna get interesting. Can see you ready.
Yeah, I'm playing poker.
Priorities.
I'm not looking forward to that choppy ferry though, man. Not very good on boats, better on cars, maybe. So fingers crossed. Pat's gonna hold my hand and hold my hair back if I go bleh.
Feel.
So. Hey up, Rob, how you doing?
Good, you?
Ain't too bad. We're off on the ferry, me and Pat. After a nice little walk around this morning. So fingers crossed we get back to Kampot in a couple of hours. Should be good.
We actually thought we'd go straight to Phnom Penh, but since Kampot is only about an hour away from us and we love it so much, we decided to go there for a few days first and then we go to Phnom Penh. So that's the beauty of not having an itinerary. You can do whatever you want, really. Next time we come to this island, I think we'll go back to staying in Mapai Bay. It's just a personal preference, or maybe we do both. You can only access each of those sites by boat. It's not walking distance and there are no bikes on the island. Our return journey wasn't as bad as expected. The ferry was a bit choppy, but nothing we couldn't handle. Between the ferry, waiting for a bus, and the bus journey to Kampot, all in all took us around 4 hours.
Well, that's all about we have time for today. We hope you enjoyed this video and join us next time as we go to a brand new country, somewhere we've always wanted to go, the Philippines. See you later. Peace.